I will talk about how can you save tickets on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just come to this list here in first, and here can you looking for any tickets you want to save, or here can you search for your tickets. I'm going to click here in this event here, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here, so then all you have to do next, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then when you just click on it, automatically here it's going to save with you like you see on your app. So that's all you have to do to save your tickets. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for watching.